Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the new 7.0 cubic foot freezer by Newair. You guys know I have worked with Newair in the past and I cannot say enough good things about this company. Today they have sent me the 7.0 cubic foot compact chest freezer to review, and I want to start by talking about the packaging and shipment. When unpacking the freezer, it literally almost unpacked itself. The freezer was protected with door wedges, plywood, and sturdy thick cardboard. Once we cut the bands that surrounded the box, the sides of the box fell open and literally contained all of the packaging mess inside. It was so easily slid from the box to the spot where we wanted it in. This freezer has digital temperature control, a fast freeze mode, door alarm, wire basket for quick reach items, a self-diagnose program, and LED lighting. If you're like me and you don't have a lot of space in your refrigerator freezer, or if you're looking to stockpile food from your Sam's or Costco run, or if you have a larger family and need to store pre-made freezer meals, this is a perfect solution. I know in our house we will be using ours a lot for all of the fish that Reuben catches this year and the brisket, pork shoulder, and Boston butt that we will have on the smoker. The digital temp controls set the thermostat between -14 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can flash freeze items for long-term preservation and use the door alarm to help prevent accidental loss of valuable food items. I also have to say that I really love the size of this freezer. It does not take up a lot of room and it also only weighs 79 pounds, so it's easily able to be moved anywhere in the home that you need it to be moved to. I love the color. It does come in this gray and black, so you do have that option. And I love the fact that you're not going to have any freezer burn on your pizzas or pizza rolls or anything like that. That's one thing that I hate about the freezer in my refrigerator. Not only do I not have a lot of space in there to actually keep pizzas, but I don't have to worry about anything getting freezer burnt, which I actually do have that problem in my refrigerator freezer. And also you don't have to use this like for deep freezing items. Because of the temperature control, you can use this just like the freezer that you have in your kitchen. You can store anything in here that you need. We also like to get a lot of ice, and so we can actually go out and get bags of ice and keep it down here in the freezer, and we don't have to worry about taking up a lot of space upstairs in our refrigerator. The look of this freezer is so sleek and compact. I am so in love with it. And I also love that Newair always offers a 1-year warranty and a 30-day hassle-free return. As always, Newair has given me a discount code for you guys, and it is _Mandy_. Make sure you go and check out the description box. I will have the link to this product as well as the discount code there for you guys to use. Go and check out this freezer. Also check out any of their other things on their website that you might be interested in. I love this freezer, and I also love my beverage coolers. You guys have seen those in my videos as well before, but I also want to say thank you so much to Newair for sponsoring this video, and I want to say thank you to you guys that comes and always supports me anytime I have sponsored products on my channel. You know I love you guys so much, but make sure you go and check this out. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below.